M5761. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day, sir, ma'am. I am Rosalinda Pinarao, 46 years old. I have three children. The eldest is 26 years old, the second 24, and the youngest is 18 years old.
And your civil status,
Single ma'am,
your religion,
Roman Catholic,
and your highest educational attainment.
high school graduate.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Saudi Arabia, tell me about your experience.
Yes, I'm main duty in Saudi Arabia is cleaning, ironing, washing, carrying the baby, and sometimes I go in the market.
Okay, and you also car washing, right? How many car do you car wash?
One.
One. So you work here in Saudi Arabia for almost 10 years, right? You
Yes,
finished your
sir.
contract. So you took care of a baby which is 2 months old
Until 4 years.
so you are the one who took care of the baby until 4 years old,
Yes.
right? Okay. Since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby which is 2 months old until 4 years old, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Yeah, I let me clean my hands, and after I sterilize the water, and then I put the warm water and then milk, and then after I shake it properly, and then I give him feed, and then I check the temperature of the water, and then I give the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check the temperature and then diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature and you also change the diaper, everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
First, I will call her father and mother. I will tell him the baby doesn't not to cry.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do. And you could also ask them if what should you do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yes, sir.
Because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it
Yes,
stop to
sir.
cry. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because the Hong Kong is high salary and safest country.
Okay, because Hong Kong national is a lawful citizens, right? So they were follow the rules and regulations of their country so that the Hong Kong is the safest country to work with. Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to finish my contract, and after, if they want me, I extend again.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to
Yes,
extend.
sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, but it is okay to you to learn.
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
Watching the YouTube, I see.
Okay, and you could also buy some cookbooks so that you could learn. And also, if your employers have a time to prepare foods for themselves, you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs with a helper.
Yes.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes.
How about taking care of elderly?
Sometimes can I give him shower?
Okay,
I
so
give him.
it is okay to you to take care of elderly because you have an idea how to
Yes,
to
sir.
take care. Okay. If your employer wants you to go to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
I want to learn.
Okay, so it is okay to you to learn. Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hope you selected me as a helper in your family.
Okay,
I hope to see you soon.
okay, what can you promise to your employer?
I promise you, I do my best. I want to finish my contract.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Rosalinda. Thank you.
Thank you.